Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to your GoPro Hero 12 Black. This will allow you to use your headphones or earbuds as a microphone when filming with your GoPro, or you can listen to playback of your videos. It's really simple to set up, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first thing we need to do to connect our Bluetooth headphones or earbuds to our GoPro Hero 12 Black is to figure out how to turn on the pairing mode in our headphones or earbuds. And each type of headphone or earbud is going to be slightly different, whether you've got AirPods or you've got Beats, or these ones happen to be Sony ones. They're all going to be slightly different. So you might need to check out your instructions or do a quick Google search for those. On these Sony ones, I would just hold down the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds and the light will start to flash. And on these Pixel Buds Pro, I'll open the lid and I can hold down the button here on the back for a couple seconds and the light will start to flash. So again, every headphone set or earbuds will be slightly different. What we do on the GoPro though will remain the same. So let's turn on our GoPro Hero 12 Black here and we'll connect maybe these Pixel Buds Pro to the GoPro. So from the main screen here, what we're going to do is swipe down from the top and this will take you to your quick menu. And we're going to swipe from right to left. So we'll swipe from right to left like that. And you'll see the pair device option right there. So you can go ahead and tap on pair device. And your GoPro is going to start searching for your headphones. And this is when you would put your headphones or your earbuds into pairing mode. So again, on these ones, I would hold the button down for about 5 seconds. On these ones, we're going to open the lid. And I'll hold down that button on the back for a couple of seconds here. And the light on the other side should start blinking. And this is going to start searching for them. And it found them there. It says Ken Pixel Buds Pro. So I'll just put those down for a moment. We can just hit the plus sign here when it finds your headphones or earbuds. And it's going to start connecting them and it'll turn blue once they are connected. We can go ahead and use these now.
And now I'm connected to the GoPro with my headphones, using the microphones in my headphones to record audio, as well as I can listen to playback from my videos through my GoPro.
Now, if you want to disconnect them from your GoPro, again, you would swipe down from the top, swipe from right to left, go back into your paired devices here, and you'll see a small little garbage can right here. You can go ahead and tap that. It says remove Ken's Pixel Buds Pro from the GoPro. I just hit remove and now they're disconnected from the GoPro. And really it's that simple to connect your headphones or earbuds to your GoPro Hero 12 Black. I hope this video did give you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.